What to practice on the guitar, if you're a clueless beginner. 1. Reading guitar tabs. Learning how to read guitar tabs, as well as chord and scale diagrams, is key to being able to learn the other items you will be practicing. 2. Learn easy tunes. Start learning easy tunes like Ode to Joy, Sound of Silence, and Can Can't to get fluent in reading guitar tabs and start building muscle memory. 3. Learn open major and minor chords. The open major and minor chords you can play on the guitar are mainly C, A, G, E, and D major and A minor, D minor, and E minor. Not all major and minor chords can be easily played as open chords, so you will soon need to learn bar chords too in order to have more options when it comes to learning songs. 4. Learn how to change from one chord to another fluently. 5. Train your right hand in picking and strumming. 6. Start learning songs. Now that you can strum and change between open chords, you can start learning your first real songs. 7. Start learning phrasing techniques. Phrasing techniques like slides, hammer-ons and pull-offs, string bends, and vibrato can all be applied to get a different sound from the same notes you are playing. 8. Start building a vocabulary of guitar riffs and licks. Learn guitar riffs and licks that make use of the phrasing techniques you have learned. 9. Learn music theory basics. Introducing music theory now will help you connect the dots between the things that you're learning. 10. Learn your first scales. Start from the minor pentatonic scale and learn other important scales like the major pentatonic, and the minor natural scale. 11. Learn bar chords. Using the correct hand and finger positions is more important than strength when playing bar chords. Click on the first link in the comments for the full article and subscribe to this channel for more videos on guitar playing, music theory and songwriting.